Hey Akron After School Summer kiddos, we are getting ready to learn a little bit more about sea lions and seals. They were really cool. These are actual pictures of them laying there that we got to see. So you'll watch the video and then you'll come over here to this picture here and hit the link, and I'll take you to here. If you need help, you're going to hit here, click to listen, and you'll find this video. You're going to go here, and you're going to go here to insert image, camera. You're going to put your picture right there. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, like that. You're going to hit the yellow camera button. You're going to press insert. Try just the best that you can. Make it a little bit bigger. Hit the text box. And then go ahead and write your name. You can also include your face in the picture. I didn't because I don't want my face to be in the picture, so you can include your face. That is perfectly fine. When you are done, so you can exit out of it. If there are no slides left, remember to hit this little plus button and a new slide will appear. Alright? So this is for this. And I hope you guys have so much fun drawing your pictures of seals or sea lions and where they sleep. Alright guys, have fun. Bye.